The systems perspective or systems theory was really the dominant perspective in the social work field in the 1960s and 1970s. And it's really a multidisciplinary approach to looking at any kind of situation or a person or a family or a phenomenon, and it's really a multidisciplinary, so it's used in a number of different fields, including science, psychology, social work, and really systems theory, in a simplistic way of looking at it, essentially says that human behavior is the outcome of interactions with systems, and in order to holistically understand a person or a behavior or a phenomenon, you really have to look at the systems that the person is interacting with, and those systems can be anything from like a family that they're involved with, or a church, or a culture. But it's important when you look for systems theory, when you're evaluating, to look at all of the systems that are kind of interacting with one another and with the person that you're working with, so that you can really understand kind of like what's going on and how you can best serve them within the context of their own personal system. So I chose this image because I thought that it was a really good way of explaining systems theory, how everything is kind of interconnected, and looking at the different kind of outside factors that impact someone on the inside or impact a situation. So in terms of relation to the Chavez case study, when we're talking about Ms. Chavez and her interaction with hospice and kind of her family, I think that systems theory really applies, because it's important to look at the context of her family, the situation that she's in, her interactions with healthcare providers, in order to be able to really assess her needs and the needs of her family and how to best support the family through a difficult time. I think that systems theory can be really valuable in practice, and being able to really consider how what people are surrounded by or the interactions that they have really impact the way that they behave or the outcomes that they have. Yeah, so that's it.